Welcome to today's Tech Tip video, where we are providing a quick overview of search bar commands in Microsoft Teams. Many Teams users are missing out on this powerful feature, so keep watching for the best ways to start using it. To access search bar commands, simply click in the Teams search bar at the top of the window and type the /. A list of commands will appear, powerful shortcuts to various functions. For instance, you can set your status to available with /available or /away when you're not at your desk. Need to start a call or chat quickly? Use /call or /chat. The best part is that there's a concise explanation on the right next to each command. And that's not all. Keyboard shortcuts are another secret weapon for turbocharging your Teams experience. For example, Ctrl+E jumps to the search bar. Ctrl+= zooms in. Ctrl+- zooms out. And Ctrl+N opens up a new chat. And this is just the tip of the iceberg. If you're looking to maximize your productivity in Microsoft Teams, remember to explore search bar commands and embrace keyboard shortcuts. Your efficiency will thank you. Thank you for tuning in to today's Tech Tip. For more updates and productivity tips, stay connected with us. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to reach out. We'll see you on the next one.